Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast, where we help you improve your English through real conversations, clear explanations, and meaningful practice that you can use in your daily life with confidence.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy that you are here with us today because in this lesson, we are going to practice English with daily life situations, using natural conversations and longer sentences that reflect how people really speak.
Yes, and today's lesson is designed for B1 to B2 learners, which means we will use slightly longer and more detailed sentences while still keeping our language clear, simple, and easy to follow.
We will talk about everyday topics such as morning routines, work, free time, and social interactions, so you can learn how to express your ideas naturally.
We will speak slowly, explain useful phrases, and give you many examples so you can listen, repeat, and practice speaking.
Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can continue improving your English with us.
All right, let's begin today's lesson on real English conversations in daily life. Let's start with a common daily topic, which is your morning routine, because this is something you can talk about in many conversations. For example, you can say, in the morning, I usually wake up early, check my phone for a few minutes, and then prepare breakfast before starting my day. You can also add more details, such as, after I wake up, I like to drink coffee, take a shower, and spend some time planning my tasks for the day. Let's practice some sentences. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock and start my day slowly. I prepare a quick breakfast and drink coffee before going to work. I like to spend a few minutes relaxing before I begin my daily tasks. Now, let's make a short conversation.
What do you usually do in the morning?
In the morning, I usually wake up early, have breakfast, and prepare myself for work. And I try to start my day in a calm and organized way.
That sounds like a very healthy routine. Now let's talk about work or study, because this is another important part of daily life.
For example, you can say, during the day, I work on different tasks, attend meetings, and try to stay focused so I can finish my work on time.
Or at school, I attend classes, take notes, and practice what I learn so I can improve my skills.
Let's practice. I usually have a busy schedule, but I try to manage my time well. I work on my projects step by step and take short breaks when I feel tired. I enjoy learning new things, even when it is challenging.
Now a conversation.
What do you usually do during the day?
During the day, I focus on my work, complete my tasks, and try to stay productive, even when I feel a little tired.
That is a very good habit. Good job. Now, let's talk about free time, because this is a topic people often discuss in conversations.
For example, you can say, in my free time, I like to watch movies, listen to music, or spend time with my friends.
You can also say, after work, I usually relax by reading a book or taking a short walk. Let's practice. I enjoy relaxing after a long day because it helps me feel better. I like to spend time doing things that make me happy. Sometimes I go out with friends and enjoy social activities. Conversation example. What do you usually do in your free time? In my free time, I like to relax, watch videos, and sometimes go out with my friends, which helps me feel happy and refreshed.
That sounds like a great way to spend your time. Now, let's talk about social interactions, such as talking with friends or meeting new people.
For example, you can say, when I meet my friends, we usually talk about our day, share our experiences, and enjoy spending time together.
Or, when I meet new people, I try to be friendly, ask simple questions, and have a polite conversation.
Let's practice. I enjoy talking with my friends because we can share ideas and support each other. I try to communicate clearly so people can understand me. I feel more confident when I practice speaking regularly.
Conversation example.
Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Yes, I enjoy meeting new people because I can learn new things and practice my communication skills.
That is a great attitude.
Emily, can you describe your typical day?
Yes, of course. In the morning, I usually wake up early, have breakfast, and prepare for my day. And then I focus on my work, complete my tasks, and try to stay organized so I can be productive.
What do you do after work?
After work, I usually relax, watch something interesting, or spend time with my friends because it helps me feel happy and less stressed.
That sounds like a balanced and healthy routine.
Thank you. What about you?
My day is similar, but I also try to exercise and take short breaks during the day because it helps me stay active and focused.
That is a very good habit. Good job. Now it is your turn to practice speaking. Please answer these questions with full sentences. What do you usually do in the morning? What do you do during the day? What do you do in your free time? Do you enjoy talking with people? Why?
Take your time, speak slowly, and try to use long and meaningful sentences. Repeat after us. In the morning, I usually. During the day, I. In my free time, I like to. I enjoy. I feel.
Practice these phrases every day to improve your speaking.
Today, we practiced English using daily life topics and real conversations, which can help you speak more naturally and confidently.
You learned how to describe your routine, talk about work or study, and express your thoughts and feelings in longer sentences.
Remember, the more you practice speaking about your daily life, the easier it becomes.
You are doing a great job, and every step you take helps you improve.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons.
Thank you so much for learning with us. Goodbye, everyone, and keep practicing English every day.